the fish, bambalang fish. That's what I'm going to be cooking today. And I'm going to be using this perfectly smoked fish from Royalty Fish. I'm going to put links in the description box below. If you want some and you are in Cameroon, you can just call or WhatsApp them to place your order. So I'm just washing off the fish now, and then we'll cook it. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to cook my bambalang fish. Some onions, garlic, I already crushed the garlic, peppers from my garden, seasoning cubes optional, some salt, palm oil, and then I'm going to be using what is known as bush pepper and Cameroon pepper. And I'm going to be cooking the fish in my instant pot just because it's a summer and it's very hot around here. I don't want to heat up the house. You can definitely cook this directly on the stove top or on the fireside. So our fish has been washed already. I decided to leave the fish whole, but if you want, you can definitely fillet the fish, remove the bones and all of that stuff. I just want to leave it whole. So I'm going to transfer everything now, the fish actually, into my saucepan over here. Next, I'm going to add seasoning, some salt. I'm eyeballing it. Let's add enough salt. I'm going to throw in the peppers, the onions, the garlic, basically all of the ingredients. Here goes our bay leaves. I'm just eyeballing everything. Just a little bit of the bush pepper. Okay. Now I'm going to pour in the palm oil. This is authentic palm oil from Cameroon. Don't use any other kind of oil. It has to be palm oil. You cannot substitute that. And now I'm gonna add water. Now I'm going to come in with some water. Just enough water to cook our fish. I used about this much water. Eyeball it. It all depends on how much fish you have. Now we're gonna put a lid on it, and then I'm going to cook it on the so poultry is 15 minutes, meat is 35 minutes. I'm gonna cook it on the meat setting.